Dad draws. Hi, I'm John. Today I want to draw a bright butterfly. Draw with me, because I will draw with felt tip pens. To work, we need markers and a good mood, of course. White sheet of paper. We have everything. Let's begin. I'll start with a black marker. And I'll show you how I draw a butterfly step by step. We take it out and think. Cool butterfly, insect. She has wings, but we will not start with the wings, but, for example, with her body. I draw the body in the middle. Such a small oval. Or you can also call it, for example, the abdomen. They drew an oval like this. Let's immediately draw the long belly of my butterfly. This is what the body, abdomen, and head look like. I will draw a big, beautiful head. She will have a big head. It turns out that you and I have learned to draw an oval, a long oval and a circle. Take your time. If you don't have time, then pause. I will definitely wait for you. That's how it is now. And we will continue to draw. What else does our butterfly have? Oh, there are wings. There are wings. And they are the same on both the right and left. This is called symmetry. But how my two hands are now, they look alike. And this is how I can fold and unfold them. Fold and unfold. My hands are like butterflies. Your hands are also like butterflies. We will draw first one wing, then the second wing. Draw on the left. This is how we go from the head. And again. It's called a big wing, a big semicircle. And now the same thing is here. And two. It's very similar to how you draw it. Left, right, left, right. It turns out more or less similar. But don't worry if it's not completely accurate. That's how it is for me now. One wing is slightly larger, the other is smaller. We're moving on. We draw two more wings. The other two parts. This is where I draw them. Like this. And again. And two. And it turns out that we drew a butterfly. At the butterfly. Let me wait while you finish drawing. I drew it. Next we will draw antennae for our butterfly. She has a mustache. We can draw two antennae. This is so good, two good mustaches. Eyes, smile. Here it is, our butterfly is completely ready for coloring. Almost completely. Inside we will draw circles to decorate the wings of our butterfly. And now we can color it step by step. We will color with felt tip pens. As you noticed, my felt tip pens are thick, and therefore it's very convenient to color with them. I'll take the yellow color and color it. And here you can pause and catch up with me, because I color pretty quickly. I also advise you not to slow down. Even if you really like to color, then still, give yourself some time to color. Of course, your hands also need rest. For example, I colored it, put the marker down and said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens, let's rest. And my hands will rest. Next color, for example, I'll take a different color. Of course, you can always take other colors. I'm telling you this too. And, for example, blue. I really like it, blue color. And these lower wings will be blue. One blue wing in the second blue wing. Great. Bright. Now all that remains is to paint over these gaps between the wings. I think I like the color orange. Orange is the right color here. Let's add orange color. It's very bright and beautiful. Yellow, blue, orange. Now let's fill in the circles. So that the top two circles are equally colored. The two lower circles are colored differently. The first ones. I think I'll take green for them. Beautiful green color. I'll take a rich green color. And I'll paint it over. I'll paint it over. I'll paint it over. And I'll paint it over. I'll paint it over. I'll paint the second one. Great. Now these two. I think it will be very beautiful if I take red. It is very bright and will look very bright on blue. I'll take it too and paint it. Ugh. Now we can finish. You will say, and I will say, no look, we haven't painted the butterfly itself yet. I want to color it too. I'll take pink. My butterfly is beautiful. And I'll paint her head pink. And I think I'll still paint the little body pink, but I'll add it to this little body. This little body has a slightly different color. I know the color purple, very beautiful. Oh, and I'll draw stripes here. Stripes. Just like that. Let's continue coloring. And draw. And at the end we will draw the paws. Since we have felt tip pens, we can add something on top, for example, 2 feet at the top and 1 at the bottom. This is our little boy. A real insect. You and I drew all the parts of the body. We drew the body, the abdomen, the head, 2 antennae, 2 ears, 2 large wings, like an elephant. Ears, yes, 2 wings at the ear and 2 below. And then we painted everything together with you. Well done to you and me. They worked hard, worked hard. Give your blues a rest. Be sure to give the drawing to Mom and Dad, show it. Let's WhatsApp Grandpa. Grandpa will like you. And if you send it to our Telegram group, we will also give you a super like. Draw with me, come. There will be a lot of drawings in the future. And now they are already there. So, if you are finished, come draw the next drawing, also with felt tip pens.